Hi everyone, welcome to new video. Today in this video we will see what is the difference between AMI and EBS snapshots. Also we will do hands-on for how to trigger a AMI and also take backup of EBS volumes. Okay, so first let us go into our EC2 console. So I have already one EC2 running. So first we will trigger a AMI for this. So how to trigger it? Just select your server and you can see the actions here. Click on that and go to the section image and templates. Here you need to click on create image. Okay, so once you click on create image, it will ask for a naming, so you can name it according to your things. So I'll be naming it as with today's date. Okay, same thing in description. If you want, you can mention like before some activity, or even you can give the same name as a AMI name. Okay, and there is a one option called no reboot. That means if a system is in stop state or if it is a running state, if you don't enable this, if it is in a stop state, it will start for a second and again go to the stop state. So if you don't click on a no reboot, that will happen. Same way, if you don't click this no reboot, if your instance is running, then it will take a quick reboot of the instance. So it may affect in a production. So that's why for a safer side, we will always enable this. When you're taking for a production system, always make sure you will click on this no reboot option. Okay. So I have only one EBS volume for my EC2 instance. That is my root volume. So I don't want to add any other volumes. So name tags you can again specify. Key name is name and you can give the same. Okay. If you click on create image, so you can get the AMI ID. So directly if you want to see there, you can click on this. It will open in a new tab. Okay. So here you can see status is in pending. Okay. So meanwhile, we will go and trigger the snapshot also. It will take a time. So we don't need to waste a time. So as I said, AMI, here we took a AMI backup, right? So that means complete EC2 backup we are taking. That means your system configurations and also your volume, that is EBS, it also be backed up. But when it comes to the case of snapshots, only you can take a backup of particular volume. Okay, so that is the main difference between AMI and snapshot. AMI is a complete configuration of your EC2 server, but snapshot is just a backup of one particular volume. So let us go to storage. You can see I have one volume attached to my instance, that is my root volume. So just click on that volume ID. So here you can see, now select that volume, again click on actions. Here you can see the option create snapshot. Just click on that. Same way you need to give a description. I'll give test purpose. So you can give any names. Name tag if you want you can add, or else you can leave. Test purpose snapshot I'll just mention. Why I am mentioning a snapshot here, in a just a moment you will get to know that. So I'll click on create snapshot. Okay, so successfully it has started to take the snapshot of this volume. Okay, BED. This is an additional disk. For this we are not taking any backup. We are currently taking backup of our root volume. Okay, so let us open that also. Okay, it's already in available state. Okay, so I'll just open it in a two different consoles, one for AMI. Okay, and here I'll open the snapshots. So can you see two snapshots have been created? So here don't need to get confused. If you see during AMI, we had given the name test server and today's date. So this is the snapshot of our AMI. Okay. The same volume, it has been triggered and backed up. So as I told, AMI is a complete backup of your EC2 server. That means your EC2, whatever you are configured, it will be also backed up as a OS, and also your EC2 volumes. If you have multiple EC2 volumes, all the EC2 volumes will be also backed up. Okay. So if you see the above one, test purpose snapshot. So this is manually we triggered a snapshot of our OS disk. So both are completed. So you can see the start date and progress. Also it is available 100%. That means it is completed. Now let us see in the AMI. So AMI also we can see it is available. So this is how we generally create a AMI and snapshots. Okay guys, the final question will be like when to take a AMI or when to take a only the snapshots. So the best answer I can give for that is like when you want a complete configuration of your EC2 server, then go for a AMI, or else you have a request for only backup of your volumes. You don't need the system configurations. Then no need to worry of taking AMI. So directly you can take only snapshots of the volumes respective to the EC2 server. So I hope this could have been given you a little idea on what is AMI and snapshots. Still, if you have any questions, please leave your questions in a comment section. I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching.